Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another video. Today I will be giving you a room tour of our suite at the Royalton Chic Suites Cancun. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. And if you like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. All right, let's get started on this room tour. Okay, so right now I am going to do a room tour of the Royalton Chic. We have the luxury ocean view suite. So as you come in, you see some lovely artwork on the wall. The air? You look for the air?
Yeah.
It's controlled by the bed on the side. It's electronic. And you got your bathroom starts here with double sinks. One here and one here. Beautiful, lovely mirrors right there and there. And you got your makeup mirror. So right here, you got your shower. Nice long shower with a little bench. And it's got a rainfall, and then it's got the water spray. And next to that, you got your toilet with a nice phone on it inside, just in case there's an emergency, I'm going to assume. Then here we got just some closet space. This is the steamer I was telling him about for your clothes. You put your water in there and steam your clothes. And they give you 2 robes, which is nice. We have a little living area. Like I say, this is the luxury ocean view, so it's a little bit bigger, which is nice. And it's got a nice little mirror right here where you can see. And then it actually closes off from the, lights went off. It actually closes off from the bedroom, so you can close off your door and have a little private party. And then if somebody wants to sleep in the bed, they can sleep in the bed. Oh, that's nice. Look at this mirror, guys. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. So let's close it back. That is gorgeous. And then right here, we have the bed. Beautiful king size bed with the bench, folding bench. Right there, we got our TV. We have 2 TVs, so one in here, one in there. And then on the outside, I'm going to show you our beautiful view. Ugh. It's gorgeous outside, people. Look at this view. It's hot though, but it's gorgeous. Look at that beautiful water. It almost doesn't even look real. So this is the resort. Spans from here all the way to there. It's a boutique resort, so it's like fairly with everybody else. But look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So that is our view. This is the balcony. They gave us 2 little chairs. And that is the tour of the luxury ocean suite in Royalton Chic. Alright guys, I want to thank you for watching. Go ahead, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give me a big like for this video, and hit that notification bell so that you can check out more of my videos. I have a travel vlog of this whole Mexican experience, so go ahead, hit that subscribe button. And I'm also a hairstylist and I do hair videos, so go ahead and check out those videos as well. Alright, so go on over to my travel vlog so you can see this beautiful vacation that we had at the Royalton Chic. I'll see you in a minute. Thank you. Love you guys. Bye.